Hello, this is Khaled, and I'm here to present my first task in Unity Computer Science. And here I have named it scripts, but this is the tasks, and this is task number one. And here is the functions, every one of them, and they are all attached right now. I'll explain it one by one. Yes, okay, so variables work is here, and this is the code for it. We are using here the public to allow it to be visible on our Unity, and this is just the int number, so we can define like a value for number for the variable number, float to define, and chart the same thing. All of these are like variables, and this is how we define them. So this is int like number, float decimal, and char is a letter, string is a name. And here we are using these commands to print out our desired variables, and here is allowing us to constantly update and change our name during the game, so we can see it for ourselves here. So cube variable, and right now it's Khaled. We go to console and we start. Okay, and we just zoom out. See, my name is Khaled, and it's working correctly. So we stop and we go on to the next script. Oh, I opened it again. I'm sorry, it's working. We stop and we go on to the next script, which is functions work. So functions work is here. These are the codes for it. Here we assign the value, and here we print out our values. Here is the function itself. This is the double value. See, we use the value number 7 and we multiply it by 2, and this is the function, and we use the function here to print out our new value. And same function, different it's a function, but it's used differently. This is for adding the sum, and here we can try it out. So we can go to cube, yes, and everything. So we run. And if we zoom out, we can see it's working correctly. So we can go from this to the next function, statement int. So we go here. I think this is statement string. No, this is statement int, and we can see the code here. It's just a bunch of nested ifs conditions for entering a value and checking whether this value is of failing, passing, or passing well, or really great, or passing good. Just nested ifs, and we can check here the code if it's working. Just make sure it's selected. So yes, so we can go here. Can just zoom out, and it says right now pass grade because I think I have it on 100. And if we go 20, failed. We go 30, failed. Maybe 60, passed well. 50, passed. 90, passed good. And 100, passed great. But if I got 200, that's out of boundary and is wrong. And this is the script. We can go to now next script, statement string. So statement string, it's a simple if statement if you are Khaled, you are Khaled. If name equal Khaled, else print you are not. And we can check it's working or not. So we just go here and we just disable this one and we hit run. And as you can see in the console, you are Khaled because I have my name Khaled. But if I write Mohammed, you are not Khaled. And if I write again Khaled, you are Khaled. So, and then last statement boolean, which is a value of yes or no, 0 or 1, simple value. And we have here the statement boolean. Simple. This is the code for publicly putting out the statement boolean, as also in the string for public putting out. On public means on here on Unity, and it's a simple yes or no. If it's true, if you are a student, it's true, you pass. Else, try again, and we can check if it is working. And we go and we run, and right now it's not checked, so it should give us try again. And we just zoom out, yes, in console, and exactly try again, and if we check it, he passed. So this is it for my task, my first task. These are all the scripts for the first task, and they are working, and I have explained them. I hope this is all I need to do, and thank you. And we just close this one here.